so it's not too full. Nice shake on. Voila, cheers. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. So this is called the Georgia Avenue. This is our version of a Moscow Mule, but it's got some peach flavor. You're gonna fill your copper mug with ice. We'll do some Titos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do a little extra because it's supposed to be a stronger drink for a mule. A little bit of peach schnapps. 1, 2. We're gonna do a square of the peach puree. Some lime juice. Just some simple. You wanna fill it with more ice because it kind of melts. And then you wanna top it off with sour mix. And always make sure to give it a shake because you gotta mix up all that goodness. I strain a little bit out so it's not too full. Got that nice shake going. Voila, cheers. And then you go garnish. Garnish with a lime.